Next is protection. So these are sort of some miscellaneous protection settings. So only show content for each membership level. This is what we refer to as our hide show feature. So all protected content will be completely hidden from non-members when this setting is enabled. So if someone needs a particular level to be able to have access to a particular piece of content and you have this turned on, they won't even see it in search listings, in category listings, in homepage listings, and any of those sort of listings. It's not going to show up if you have this turned on. Hide protected posts from the public RSS. So as the sort of name implies, if a post is protected, it's not going to show up in the public RSS. Probably most cases you're going to want to have that on. That's why it's on by default. Hide protected content from search results. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Any protected content, when someone does a search, it's not going to show up in the search results. Protect all content after the more tags. So if you are using more tags on your site, then WishList member will automatically protect the content after the more tags. So this can affect listings. Again, you know, if your theme is set to display a full post on a category listing, but you're using a more tag, and there can be some nuance to how that works and so forth, WishList member will just go ahead and protect all content after those more tags, so you don't have to worry about it. Again, probably want that on. Automatically protect content by inserting the more tag into all posts if the more tag is not inserted into any post. So that one's fairly verbose in the explanation, but it is what it is. It is what it says it is. If you turn this on, we will automatically insert the more tag into a post if that post doesn't already have a more tag, and then you can select the number of words where you want that more tag inserted. So that's what that does. Hide after login page and after registration page of each level. So this is for site navigation. This probably doesn't apply as much anymore because we can create custom menus and so forth, but this will allow you to hide the after login and after registration page when menus are automatically generated, which is still an option in WordPress sites. You can have your navigation automatically generated, so when you create a new page, it gets automatically added to your navigation. If you turn this on, though, we'll hide the after login after registration page for each level, so they don't show up there, because sometimes that can cause clutter. Default content protection. So if this is turned on, then whenever you create a new page, post, custom post type, whatever, then that piece of content, the protection for it will automatically be turned to on. So most cases, if you're doing, say, a modular course, or even a membership where all of the content inside of the membership is going to be protected for the most part, you probably want to turn this on just so you don't forget. But if you're integrating with an existing blog, so you have a blog, maybe it's really popular, and you're adding WishList member so that you can make some of your posts premium, but the majority of your posts will be public, then you'll probably want to turn this off. And then default pay per post protection. So if you turn this on, all new pages or posts that you create will have the pay per post feature turned on by default. So by default, it's not turned on. If you turn this on, that'll flip that so that now by default it is turned on, and you can add members, or you can use the pay per post SKU to integrate with the shopping cart.